Hello, my name is Sabrina Bocek at Unity College, and this is my project proposal for Oceana to partner with 4Ocean and renewable ocean trash car manufacturers. The problem for ocean conservation is that over 10 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. Ocean plastic kills 1 million seabirds and over 100,000 marine mammals within that year. 3 out of every 4 deep fish tested contained microplastics in the Atlantic Ocean, said a recent Irish study in 2023. Fisheries are closing due to overfishing, habitat loss, climate change, and pollution. Communities lose fishing employment and incomes to support their families. Pollution causes poverty and directly affects the health and well-being of coastal families and other nations. It also causes starvation. The proposal is to partner with 4Ocean, an organization that goes out into with their captains and boats and directly cleans up plastic pollution. They are very good at networking and employing local communities. The proposal engages these fisheries that are unemployed without work to now change their employment to cleaning plastic debris and fishing gear out of the ocean so that they would also make income for their families and help regenerate the habitat while also letting the fish stock regrow. The second part of partnering would be to help mobilize car manufacturers that are now utilizing this ocean trash to create usable and safe cars for the future. Here's an example of the car Luca that students at the Eindhoven University of Technology in the Netherlands have built that's made entirely out of ocean waste. The goals for the proposal: number 1, creating employment for fishing communities displaced from environmental issues. It's not enough for Oceana to create new policies to protect the environment. We must also provide alternatives to these families and people that live in these geographies that are directly affected by all of this pollution. Number 2, we will clean the ocean pollution by 25% every 2 years by networking and using the process of organizing captains and fleets within major countries around the world. Number 3, we will regenerate energy into new age car manufacturing to get rid of fossil fuels and to eliminate waste in the future. Here are the references, and thank you for listening.